Hello guys, we have new device here. It is a Macbook Pro model A1502 13-inch Retina. So the problem was it was turning off as what the customer said. It is turning off when she turn on the laptop. It will turn off by itself, so we will see and we will check. It's not turning on, so we will turn it on. So it is not turning on, guys. So guys, we will be removing the board. I did not show you, but as usual we are using the Pentalob number 5 screwdriver for the back cover, and then on this part we are using the T number 5 or Torx number 5 screwdriver. As you can see, guys, I did not see any liquid spill. Those are all dust, but I saw here on the back cover some debris or corrosion, but here I did not see anything. So we will check it under the microscope for further checking. Guys, as we check the board, I found this corrosion on the motherboard. I will show you. That is the corrosion, guys. It is too small, but that's the only corrosion I saw on the board. That capacitor near the PMIC. That is that, guys. That is the only corrosion I saw on the board, and we will be checking that capacitor. What was the function of that capacitor? This is that capacitor, guys. So it means there was a short circuit on the C5021 capacitor. PP3B3 dash 5 or underscore 5 AVRAF underscore SMC. So this is that capacitor, guys. C5021. I did not see any other corrosion on the board. See, there is no other corrosion. It's all dust. But why is that capacitor have the corrosion? I don't know. I don't know why. There is no liquid spill or anything. Just that capacitor was corroded, and on that area it's just alone corroded parts. What we're going to do now is just to replace that part. Capacitor C5021 near the SMC. So guys, we will be removing this cap, then we will replace it. Guys, we will be taking capacitor from another board. or if you can buy a new one, it's good. But me, if like this resistor and capacitor, I can take from the other board so that it will be original capacitor. I mean genuine parts, and it is much more durable. So guys, we will check it now. That's it. I just replaced the capacitor. Again, this is that capacitor. Ground PP3B3 underscore S5. It is near the SMC. This is the SMC. Guys, before we finalize everything, putting all the screws, we will check it first. So guys, as you can see, when we put the charger, it directly turn on. Before, when we put the charger, it is not turning on, or there is no activity on the laptop. So again, this is a MacBook Pro model A1502 13-inch Retina. It is working fine now. So what I do next, usually I ask the password from the customer, then I will check everything, Wi-Fi, everything. So that's it guys. We only replaced the capacitor C5021, and then please subscribe to my channel. This model A1502 MacBook Pro 13-inch Retina. So guys, see you on the next video, and God bless.